Okay, what you need to do is you need to open up Access, create a blank database. Then you're going to need to make your tables. Come to Design View. We're going to name this Students. Then you're going to need to enter your fields and your data types. So this is Student ID. That needs to be a number. Then we have first name, last name. Then you need to save it. Switch back to database view. This is where you enter your data. Two. Okay, now we need a new table. Go to Create, Add a Table. Design View, name this one Classes. Then you enter your fields and your data types again. This is class ID, needs to be a number. Course name, section number. This needs to be a number also. Okay, save it. Now you enter your fields again. Okay, for the last table, same thing. Design View, name this one Student and Classes. Enter your field. So this is class ID, student ID, hours. Okay, enter your data again. Don't need one in the first. Okay, now that we created our tables, you're going to need to make sure that you set your primary keys correctly. Let's come here, ID, class ID, student ID, and you need to make sure the data types are the same. So, they're not. Okay, now for our queries, close these down. Create, query design, add your tables. And then you want to add what you want to query. So last name, course name, we need credit hours, hours studied, and the criteria we want is just Potter. And then run it. Okay, for query number 2, we do the same thing. We will use the query from the first one. It has everything we need: last name, course name, credit hours, hours studied, and then we need required study time, which we can make right here. And that is credit hours times 2. Right? And to get the 2 decimal places, we can come back to design view, property, and put that as fixed. Okay, for the third query, same thing. We will use query 2 after I save it. Okay, then we need class name, our last name, course name, credit hours, required study time, and hours studied. And then we need, to answer the question, we need study time deficiency. Same thing as last time. Required study time minus hours studied. Okay. Put it as fixed again and run it. Okay, see what I did. Hours studied. And there we go. Okay, for the last query, we will use query 3. And we need the last name, credit hours, required study time, hours studied, and study time deficiency. And basically we need the totals. So you can hit totals right there, group it by the last name. Then we want to sum the rest of the fields. So sum. Run that. And that's it.